Welcome to the latest Apps Minute. I'm John Nelson. The Haas Visual Programming System, or VPS, has become the preferred choice for machinists looking to output simple G-code operations and even learn G-code. In this video, I want to show you what to do once the data's been entered into the template. I'm doing a simple OD turning operation, and I've finished entering all the information I need to create the G-code. I have multiple choices with what to do, and these are displayed up here in the right corner of the screen. My first choice is to run directly from the template. Now, I only want to do this if I know my offsets are correct and this thing is going to go exactly where I want it to. I simply do this by pressing cycle start. The G-code gets created, put in MDI, and the machine starts running immediately. If I want to check the G-code before it runs, I press the F4 key. This will give me a pop-up with three options. Number 2 is output to MDI. So I press 2, and that puts my code over here in MDI. Now I can see what's going on. I can check my speeds and feeds, make sure it looks like it's going to go to the right spot before I press cycle start and run it. It's worth noting, I can save the program from here by pressing the letter O followed by the Alter key. This will bring up a pop-up where I have to enter the program number, and I can enter an optional file name and comment. The program is then saved to memory. Okay, back to the VPS page. I press F4 again. This time, I want to take the code that I output and insert it into the active program in memory mode. So, I press number 1, and it opens the active program in edit mode and places the code that we sent to MDI last time down here on the clipboard. To insert it, I simply scroll to where I want to paste it in and press F4. Okay, so back to the template page again. If I want to create a new program for this VPS operation, I can press the F4 key, and this time I'm going to press the number 3 key, Create New Program. This opens up a pop-up that lets me choose the folder I'd like to save my program in. Next, I get that same pop-up we looked at before. I enter the O number here and the optional file name and comment. This concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Apps Minute.